Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. Here is a proof of concept of the DIY project, a small string of decorative flashing lights using Arduino, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. This set of flashlights can be used to decorate our homes for festivals. The 9 output pins of the board are connected to 9 LEDs, which can also be extended as needed. The components we need here are an Arduino board, 9 LEDs, 9 resistors, a DC socket, a breadboard, and jumper wires. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.